Want to create AI avatar videos without filming or hiring anyone? Meet Credo AI, an AI tool that turns simple text into lifelike video in minutes. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you what Credo AI does, how it works, and why it might be the easiest way to create content without being on camera. Credo AI is a web-based platform that lets you generate videos using digital avatars and AI voiceovers. You just write your script, pick a language, and select an avatar. The result? A clean professional video without the usual production headaches. It includes a wide range of realistic avatars, voices in multiple languages, and automatic lip sync with facial expressions. Whether you're making tutorials, presentations, ads, or educational content, Credo AI makes it fast and simple. This is ideal if you're camera shy, short on time, or creating videos at scale. From online courses to social media content, it works for creators, marketers, teachers, and teams. But the best part? The avatars don't just talk. They move, blink, and feel surprisingly human. If you want to give it a try, I've added my affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and you can start for free. Credo AI makes video creation easier than ever. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech reviews and AI tools.